bitch out here. I locked her out. She keeps coming. Okay, I'm gonna.
You're the one who called?
Yes, Tina.
Oh, okay, all right.
I'm over. One always
Where's
fucking
she
up.
at?
She's a wiry, crazy. I'm gonna take you out there. She comes in. She's married with 4 kids. She comes in here and once a week or something. Summer.
Okay.
She got break. She usually has a few wines, and I don't know if she's
what
on
did she
something.
do today? Let's get to that.
Okay,
We'll
so
figure out
one
the
of my
rest
customers, they all came in from RJ Gators, the bartenders. They're all dressed like, and his girlfriend's here. Please go over that way, baby. I know, go that way, please. I'm just asking you.
You can, you're kind of yelling at me, lady. But I will walk away.
Can you talk to us, please?
Oh my God. I can't tell. So, she jumped on his lap and does like this.
One of the bartenders?
No. Yeah, from RJ Gators. So his girlfriend's sitting there. She grabs him by, go that way or go back in.
Done after this.
That song, and then they're done. So he pushes her because his girlfriend's there, and she said he grabbed her her boyfriend by the waist. Saw somebody, she don't care. Last week she's out there giving a guy a blowjob.
I don't care about last week.
Okay.
What do you want done? Let's start.
I want her trespassing.
Okay, let's just do
I
that. We don't need
begged
the rest
her.
of it.
Listen, I begged her to
Okay,
leave.
let's go get her in the trespass.
I wouldn't trespass her.
Okay, let's just get down to the rest.
Very crazy and wiry.
She does or does not have a knife? Because you guys have set up.
I don't know. She said.
Okay, you didn't see a knife.
No, it's in. She put her hand in her pocket.
What's her name?
Summer. Summer.
Okay, all right.
Talk to the cops. Summer, right there. Summer.
Oh, me?
Yeah,
Yes.
I guess she wants you trespassed, okay?
I'm a trespass?
No, she said she wants you trespassed.
You can't come
She
back.
doesn't want you back.
Leave when I asked you to, Summer.
So she's wanting you trespassed. It's her.
Oh, okay.
I'm just letting you. Do you have an ID or
Okay.
anything that you might forget?
What?
You might have forgotten an ID? Or I can just take your name and date of birth. I mean, it's fine.
I told you to leave, and I
I
would.
can get you my ID. I don't have it on
Okay,
me.
where's your stuff at?
I don't
Go
know.
away.
She's like she's putting me to the cops. Like they can't.
So you know you're not in trouble. It's only you're only in trouble if you
Well,
come
no,
back.
I don't know what I'm in trouble for,
You
but
have stuff up here?
stuff as in what?
No, you said your license was up here.
Yeah, you want to get my license? Yeah.
Because you have
No.
to leave.
I asked you to leave.
To leave what?
We're grabbing our stuff.
What am I leaving for?
So
Ain't nobody left anything. Tina,
But the only high school is the other one.
you left things like every day, every night, everything.
All right, let's get your stuff. Is it in a car or you have it up here at the
You
table?
want my shit? Here we
Yeah,
go.
that's what I'm asking.
Here we go.
I just asked if it was in your car or if you had stuff at the table.
No, what,
Okay.
I don't even know what the she's asking for at this point.
So here's the thing: anybody who's like a manager or whatever.
Yeah, I
of
get
those
it.
steps
I
can-
get it, but
So you understand that it's not me
I don't
saying
even
you're
know.
trespassed. It's just she's saying you're trespassed.
I'm gonna tell you right now. I've been here for 5 years, and nobody asked anything other Tina. Like
I got you. I'm not saying it's right or
so
whatever. I'm just saying that's what
I get it. I get it.
But you do understand if you come back, you'll be arrested, right?
What?
Yeah, for trespassing. That's the whole point of a trespass. She's saying that she wants you trespassed.
Whoa,
You can't come back.
whoa, wait.
We're not going back up there because you're trespassing.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you're trespassing. That's not even your ID. You're trying to give me a credit card. Where's your ID
No,
at?
I'm trespassing.
That's what I'm telling you.
Wait, I'm asking. Okay, what am I trespassing about?
She is saying you're trespassed, which means you cannot come back here. If you come back here, you'll be arrested. I don't know how
Okay.
much more clear I can explain that.
You know what? Fine.
That's what I'm telling you.
Facts.
She does not want you
I
here.
didn't hear that.
I've said that
prior
5 times now. So do
No,
you have someone?
5
Do you have someone who can drive you home? Because you should not be driving.
No
Because you're
way.
gonna get a DUI if you drive.
All right, fine, whatever, dude. Whatever. There's my license.
Thank
There you go. You f***ing mean to say that you f***ing told me that she meant that? Didn't nobody tell me that I
She
could
told
be
you you're
here?
trespassed.
No, she didn't.
She just did it in front of me. She said you were trespassed. Do not come back here. And then I've repeated it now 5 times.
All right, fine, facts. Great,
I don't
great.
get to choose who gets trespassed.
Great, here we
she
are.
does.
Great, here we are. Yeah, it's fine.
So you've been yelling and screaming this whole time at me. All I'm doing is telling you you're trespassed,
No,
which is
I
her
just feel like
decision.
you're,
It's not
like-
my decision.
I just feel
Do you
like
think I
you're,
want to be
calling
here
bullshit.
dealing with a bunch of drunk people? I don't want to be here dealing with drunk people.
Yeah, but you are dealing with a
I-
drunk. You are.
I am dealing
You
with
are.
a drunk. Here's
You
your
are.
ID back. So you understand you're trespassed. You can't come back.
Yeah.
How many people rode
ever
with you
come
today?
back? Nobody.
No,
Nobody's
you rode
me.
by yourself.
Nope. No.
Okay.
Yep.
So how are you? You have to leave the property.
Bye.
So what do you think about me? I don't have to leave the property either. So how are you going to get out of here because you can't drive?
You tell me how I deal with it
You're
now.
gonna have to walk, and you have to come get your
Good.
car.
I'll walk.
Okay, but you do understand that you can't drive, right?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have friends that are here, or are you here by yourself?
I don't know. You have to go ask Tina.
Why are you being a
Go
dick
ask
to me?
my friend Tina. Go ask my friend
who's your
Tina.
friend Tina? I don't know who your friend Tina is.
The f***ing girl that asked you to get my shit right here.
The one that trespassed you?
Yeah.
The man?
Yeah,
Well,
you
clearly, I
go,
guess she's
you go
not your friend.
ask her because she likes that.
Okay.
She likes it.
Okay.
Yeah, go ask.
So you
Go
understand
ask.
that if
I'm
you
not
drive out of
driving.
here,
No, not
okay.
driving.
But
No,
you need
you
to
don't have
leave
to
the
worry about
property
me.
now.
No, don't worry about me. No.
Well, I'm telling you, you got to
What
leave
are you
the
gonna do
property right
about
now. I'm going to arrest you if you don't leave the property. You need
So
to leave
how
the
am I
property
gonna
now.
leave if I can't drive?
You're going to have to come back and get your car. You're going to have to arrange it with them.
Right. We'll do.
But I'm telling you, you're not
Good,
driving now.
good,
You're going to DUI.
Good. I will arrange it.
Okay, let's go because you got to leave. Otherwise, I'm going to arrest you right now.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Good, arrange it.
Let's go. You need to leave the property or I'm going to place you under arrest.
Is this seriously what you're gonna do?
Yes, because it's my job.
Right.
So
Is this
you need to
seriously
leave.
like you're gonna ask Tina like what she's gonna do?
I'm not.
You
Tina
asked
already
out of
said
all
that you're-
these motherfuckers here, you're gonna do this to me?
I'm not doing anything to you. You're doing
I
this to yourself.
am. No,
Yes.
I am asking
You need to leave the property or I'm going to place you under arrest.
But everyone else here could ask to leave the property.
Tina she can trespass anybody she wants.
No,
I'm telling you now.
No.
Listen to me.
No.
If you don't leave this property, you're going to jail right now.
No.
You're going to go to jail. All right. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Come here. You're going to go to jail. Come here.
I'm gonna take you to jail.
Now you're going to jail. Now you get a felony. Fantastic. You just kicked me.
No, there's not.
You just kicked me. That's a felony.
What are you talking about? You
Yep.
guys are such.
You did this to yourself. All this was on you.
Seriously?
All you have to do is leave. It's simple.
What do you mean? All I had to do was leave. Faces.
I kept telling her she's not driving because she's DUI. Kept telling her that she needed to leave. And I probably told her at least 10 times. If you don't leave, you're going to jail. I said you can walk and figure out how to get your car later. You're going to jail. You need to leave. And she refused and decided she's going to run inside when I kept telling her don't do it. And she
got trespass after and battery on Leo?
Trespass after, battery on Leo, and probably in resisting. Do you want a seatbelt? Oh, you got it in the front, so you can put a seatbelt on if you want. So.
What?
All right, you're going to jail, so you can put the seatbelt on if you want to wear it.
Well, I would love my other stuff that I brought.
Well, you decided that you wanted to sit there and not be cooperative, so
You're
I mean, why
so
would
not.
why would I be cooperative
You're
with you
such
now?
a dick. Like you didn't even want to like.
When you watch the body cam footage when you sober up, you'll realize. You'll realize.
Like your body cam.
Yeah, you'll realize how many times I told you and warned you. Yeah.
Really?
So, yeah.
Give me my other shit that I need with me. Give me my.
There's something that you need. You're going to.
Are you kidding me?
You're going to jail. The jail's going to provide you with everything that you need.
God, you're such a. You got such a big dude. Yeah.
Because
you've
been so nice to me.
Your dude.
All right. I think drinking is something you should not do.
You make no money, dude. You make no money. And buying, like, giving all your fucking bullshit. You're gonna sit here and
Anyone to come pick your car up?
Really?
I'm dead serious.
This is gonna get.
I'm literally asking you if there's someone that I can call to come pick your car
Sure,
up.
sure.
Who?
Who? I can tell you the name, but you're gonna fucking dial the number? Y'all. Fucking big faces. You guys don't fucking know my name? You don't fucking know? You're fucking bullshitters. fucking bull fucking shit. You're fucking dying. Are you really? Fucking trying for fucking like you need your fucking like stipend? Oh, do you need your stipend right now? Oh, good. Oh, yes. Does that make you feel good? That you get to listen to the fucking real people? This is what we listen to, and you are a fucking slayer. This is not your life. No, your wife, your kids. You don't have no wife, no kids, right? Right? No wife, no kids. Because they don't fucking mean nothing to you. You. Fucking motherfucker.
You're gonna get placed in a hospital.
I fucking hate you. What? All I had to do was walk out?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Would you walk out if someone told you did not do something they told you did?
If I was told I was trusted.
No, you wouldn't.
Yes, I would.
No, the fuck you wouldn't. You sit here at like these like high and mighty motherfucking like police. No, you don't. Like you would never do it. Okay. You think that you would walk out when someone told you did something you didn't mean to do.
No, if someone trespassed me, I would leave because I know.
You don't fucking what the fuck ever. No, you would fucking walk out and you'd be like, oh, I know what trespassing is. No, I'm the fucking motherfucker trespassing. No, you would never walk out simply to walk the fuck out because you're a fucking cop and you're fucking all fucking you guys. No, you would never do that. You'd be like, oh, you gotta owe me. You gotta owe me. So, I'm gonna tell you right now, I did not give you anything other than to know that I did not trust.
Alright, let's go. We're gonna go inside. You said you wanted the cuffs off. Come on. Come on. Out or we're gonna pull you out. You got
Oh,
two
I'm
options.
gonna come out.
You got two options. Get
I'm
out or
coming
we're gonna pull you
out.
Come on.
Nobody needs to pull me out. I'm coming out.
Come out now. You don't want to play this game in the jail.
No, were you driving me?
Let's go. Come on.
No, you were.
Come on.
You were.
So are you. Come on.
No, you were driving me.
Let's go now.
You're
Let's
no,
go now.
you're.
Okay.
No, they should all know you're.
Okay, thanks. Let's go.
You
Let's
need
go.
to